I supposed to say? I don't have the script. AJ York, 9 years old, and I go to HCS. I am almost 10 years old, and I am going in 4th grade. So my favorite things are reading, dinosaurs, spaghetti from the old spaghetti factory, and doing things with my family and spending time with my family. I'm a junior Olympiad, and I run for Pacific Coast Shockwaves. I like to go to Universal Studios, Adventure City, Legoland, and Disneyland, and every other amusement park I can think of. Besides Six Flags. Six Flags has some of the scariest roller coasters in the world, because that's a roller coaster theme park. One of my favorite things is Legos. I even got Lego themed shoes for the school year. Hello, my name is AJ. I'm not 10 yet. I'm only at 9 birthdays.
Are you doing your